and happy January. My name is Megan Roosevelt and I'm a registered dietitian, nutritionist, the founder of Healthy Grocery Girl, and spokesperson for Limoneira's One World of Citrus. In the new year, many of us are focused on healthier eating and in search of easy, healthy recipes. So all month long here on the Limoneira YouTube channel, we will be sharing easy, healthy recipes featuring Limoneira Citrus. In today's video, I will be sharing how to make orange blueberry chia muffins. This muffin recipe I originally created to have a healthy snack option for my kids, but they're so delicious, I love them as well. I hope you do too, and here's how you make them. For the orange blueberry chia muffins, you will need fresh or frozen blueberries, chia seeds, Limoneira navel orange juice and zest, rolled oats, chickpeas, cashew butter, banana, non-dairy milk, and baking powder. Begin by blending the blueberries, orange juice, and the zest. You will want a nice smooth puree with no blueberry pieces remaining. Then add the chia seeds and stir and let sit for about 10 minutes. The chia seeds will absorb the water from the blueberries and create a jam-like consistency. Next, add the rolled oats to a food processor and pulse until evenly ground. Finally, add the remaining ingredients and pulse until a batter is formed. Then add the muffin batter to a muffin pan. I suggest making these muffins small and thin with about 1 tablespoon of batter each, and use liners or a silicone non-stick pan. Top each muffin with a dollop of orange blueberry chia jam and bake in a preheated oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Let the muffins cool and set for about 10 minutes before serving. Enjoy! As a reminder, these are a nutrient-dense, lower sugar muffin designed for little ones, so they may not resemble a big, fluffy, sugary muffin. To view or print this recipe, there's a link below in the video description box. And don't forget to look for sustainably grown Limoneira Citrus next time you head to the grocery store. You can stay up to date with all things Limoneira, and for more delicious citrus-inspired recipes, make sure to follow Limoneira on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Thank you so much for watching. Happy New Year, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!